In this episode, we're going to be looking at adding custom fonts to our Rails applications. And I am going to be using esbuild in this example application, but the main focus is adding in the fonts. And in this episode, we'll be exploring two different approaches for adding in the custom fonts. And so the first step is to find a font. I'm going to be using the fonts.google.com. However, you can use your own source for the font. It doesn't matter. And in this case, I'm just going to choose a font that is very noticeable, so we know that if it's working within our application or not. So we'll use the audio wide. And before you use a font, you want to make sure that you have the appropriate license to use that font, because not all fonts are permitted to use on the web. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift and Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftandruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.